Hi there. Welcome to Small Business Coffee Break, the video series where we take a few minutes to work on your business, not just in it. Today I ask, what should we know before joining that business networking group? With Pete De La Torre, the managing partner of Business Forum Group at Doral. Pete has over 15 years of experience helping businesses connect, collaborate, and grow. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get into it. So Pete, we've talked a little bit about the different types of networking, different types of ideas that people should be getting out of these events.
Right.
You have a lot of experience in relationship marketing and being a helper to businesses in general. What do you see as the type of organization that businesses should join to grow their businesses?
The organization that I believe best fits the needs of professionals that are hungry to grow their business, okay? Not just sustain, but to get to that next level. Because let's face it, a lot of folks that have been very successful throughout their career, they're at a point right now that they're just really slowing down, cutting back. So that hunger to grow isn't there anymore, okay? But anyone that is looking to grow and they've got time and they want to go to the next level should look at an organization environment that will be along the lines of focusing on productivity, growing your business, productivity and getting better, productivity in terms of your relationships, where it's about producing as opposed to holding on for dear life. So an organization has to really offer that type of environment, offer the programs and events that will be productive. And if it's productive, that ROI, return on investment, will be there automatically, okay? Where you are engaging with other productive-minded individuals, right? Where everyone is focusing on helping each other, engaging with each other, where an organization can have the ability to vet the membership and not just sign anybody up, which is what's become the issue with chambers. If somebody has a check or a credit card, they'll take them, right? An organization has to have that ability to vet who joins, because you have a responsibility to your other members who came there with the mindset of, I'm going to join you, I want to go into an environment, a home that I can grow, and there'll be other people just like me that are there to grow and do things the right way, okay? So any organization that's out there, whether they're a chamber or whatever, that's what they should be doing. And that's not what's happening. So I think in today's world, you need to be also part of an organization that is entrepreneurial minded, okay? Where they have to earn everything that they get, right? You have to earn everything. Nothing is given to you, right? Same thing with me here.
If you have any questions for Pete, his contact information is in the description. If you have a question you'd like me to ask Pete or any other business professional, leave a comment or shoot me an email, which is also in the description. See you next week for another cup of coffee and more questions answered.